Hello guys, I'm here to talk about Athene network. Athene network has been going on for a very long time now, and they are telling us to withdraw our 10 token into our metamask. For those of you that did the Athene network, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can withdraw your Athene network to your metamask. Don't forget to share this video and like it. Okay, this is Drums Network. The first thing you will do, you will get metamask. If you don't have metamask, you download it from Play Store. This is metamask. Open it. Come here and copy metamask withdrawal address. This is the address. Just copy it. Then open your Athene network. Come to wallets. Click on wallets. Click on withdraw. You can see Athene here. If you're not seeing Athene on your own, you have to update your app so you can be able to see it. Okay. Then this is my quantity. Click on mask to select all. Then paste the address you copied from metamask here. The network is Athene pattern on at the network. Then the next thing, click on confirm. They will send you OTP to your email address. Now for them to send you OTP, you have to request for OTP by clicking on send OTP. Now OTP has been sent to your email. Then you have to go to email and copy it and paste it here. Copy. Paste. After that, click on confirm. The token has been sent to my wallet, but I cannot see it. What is the reason? The reason is because I have not added Athene blockchain and I have not added Athene token to my wallet. So for me to see it, I have to add Athene blockchain and also add Athene token to my wallet. Then for you to do that, how are we going to do it? Just by clicking on this search bar. Click on it. Come here and paste the link. I will drop it in the comment section. Okay, just come here and paste it. Pattern@network.io. Then you paste and search. Now the site is now open. The next thing, come here and click on this wallet icon. Click on metamask. Click on connect. It's now connected. Next thing, come here and click this icon as seen here. Tap on it. Tap on this icon again. This icon. You see this first one, this place. Click on it. I hope you are following the step. Make sure you share this video. Now click on this. Click on confirm. Click on switch network. After that, come and click here. Click this setting. Click on tokens. Click on it. Then come here and click on this metamask icon. Click on it. Click on add token. Successfully added token to your wallet. By this time, we have added Athene token to our metamask. Then come to metamask section. For you to see it, click on this icon. You can see the Athene network here. You can see the tokens here, and the balance is also shown here. Okay, so this is how to withdraw your Athene network to your metamask. If you don't understand this step, do not hesitate to ask question in the comment section. Okay, this is Drones Network. Don't forget to share this video. Thank you and God bless you.